The train drew slowly into the station. Outside, there was the shouting of porters and vendors, and a high-pitched female voice near the carriage door. That voice must have belonged to the girl's aunt. The train drew slowly into the station. Drew slowly means came into the station. Outside there was the shouting of porters. Shouting means loud cry. Shouting means loud cry. Loud cry. Of porters and vendors. Vendors means sellers. And a high-pitched female voice. Vendors means sellers. S-E-L-L-E-R-S. Sellers. And a high-pitched female voice. High-pitched means shrill or loud and sharp. High-pitched female voice. High-pitched. Shrill. S-H-R-I-L-L. Shrill. Or loud and sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Loud and sharp. Near the carriage door. Carriage means compartment. There was the shouting of porters. That is, porters were shouting near the carriage door, and at the same time, a female voice was heard near the carriage door. A female voice, high-pitched female voice. Here, the female voice is described as high-pitched. High-pitched means loud and sharp cry or sharp noise of a female. That voice must have belonged to the girl's aunt. Here the narrator thought that the high-pitched female voice must have belonged to the girl's aunt. Goodbye, the girl said. Here the girl wished goodbye to the narrator or bade goodbye to the narrator. The girl bade, the girl bade or wished goodbye to the narrator. Just before the departure of the girl from the train, the girl bade goodbye to the narrator. She was standing very close to me, so close that the perfume from her hair was tantalizing. The girl was standing very close. Very close means very near. Very close means very near. Very near to me, to the narrator. The girl was standing very near to the narrator, so close that the perfume from her hair was tantalizing. Perfume means scent or aroma. Scent or aroma. S-C-E-N-T, scent or aroma. Perfume, fragrant liquid or scent or aroma from the girl's hair was tantalizing. Tantalizing means making you feel a desire to have or do something. Making you feel. Tantalizing means making you feel a desire. Making you feel a desire to have or do something. making you feel a desire to have or do something. That is making you desire to have or do something. Here the perfume from the girl's hair was tantalizing the narrator. I wanted to raise my hand and touch her hair. That is, the perfume or the aroma or the fragrant liquid from the girl's hair was making the narrator feel to have something or to do something. Here, the narrator was tempted. He wanted to raise his hand and touch her hair. That is, it was the scent or the aroma of the girl's hair that the narrator was trying to do something, to have something. And that is, the narrator wanted to raise his hand and to touch her hair. The narrator wanted to raise. Raise means lift or uphold. Lift, lift or uphold. Lift or uphold. The narrator wanted to lift or uphold his hand and touch her hair. But she moved away. Moved away means went away. Went away. Went away. That is departed or left. Left. From the left, went away or left from left or went away from the train. From the train. Here, in this respect, you see that just before the departure of the girl, the writer was feeling something. The girl bade or wished goodbye to the narrator. The narrator was feeling something to do or to have something. That is, he wanted to raise his hand and touch her hair. But the girl went away from the train or departed the train or left the train. Only the scent of perfume still lingered where she had stood. Only the scent of perfume. Only the scent of perfume. Only means none but. But here it is the thing. So you cannot use none but you can use nothing but. Nothing but. Nothing but. Only. Nothing but or none but. But here as it is the thing, nothing but will be used. Nothing but the scent of perfume, aroma of perfume, aroma or scent still lingered. Linger means remained or prevailed. Lingered means remained or prevailed. Remained. R-E-M-A-I-N-E-D. Remained or prevailed. P-R-E-V-A-I-L-E-D. Prevailed. Lingered or prevailed. The girl departed or left. The girl departed or left, but the perfume remained or prevailed in the place where the girl had stood. Where she had stood. Only the scent of perfume still lingered where she had stood. That is, though the girl was not there in the compartment of the train near the narrator was feeling something. The narrator felt the perfume or scent still lingering in the place where the girl had stood. So students, the time is coming to an end. So I will discuss the next part of the story or the last part of the story in my next class. I hope you all will prepare the lessons by going through the text line by line or in a detailed way. Hope you will stay at home quite safe and with good health. Thank you.